Hello and welcome to Listen and Learn. If you are watching this video, it means you want to improve your English. Maybe you understand English, but you cannot speak it fluently. Maybe you speak a little, but you do not feel confident. Maybe you studied English for many years, but your level is not improving. Or maybe you are a complete beginner and you do not know where to start. No matter who you are, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to grow your English fast, even with little time. This is not magic. This is not talent. This is a step-by-step system that works for everyone. Please watch till the end, because this system can change your English life. In this video, you will learn how to listen effectively, how to speak confidently, how to think in English naturally, how to grow vocabulary quickly, how to improve grammar without stress, how to practice English alone at home, how to follow a simple daily routine for fast results. Why most people fail. Most learners fail because they use the wrong method. They try to memorize grammar rules and word lists. They translate every sentence from their native language. They focus on reading and writing, but not listening and speaking. English is not a school subject. English is a skill. Skills grow with practice, not memorization. If you change your method, your results will change. The key is to use English every day. This is how native speakers learned their language. Step 1. Listening is the foundation. Listening is the most important skill for fast English growth. If your listening is weak, your speaking will be weak. Start with slow and clear English. Do not start with fast movies or difficult news. Choose English that you understand 60 to 70%. Listen every day for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Do not try to understand every word. Just let the sound enter your brain. Listening regularly trains your brain. It helps you understand English naturally. Step 2. Shadow speaking. Shadow speaking is the fastest method to improve speaking. Here is how it works. Listen to a sentence, repeat it immediately. Copy the pronunciation, copy the rhythm, copy the emotion. Do not stop too much. Do not worry about mistakes. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Shadow speaking builds fluency and confidence quickly. Practice shadow speaking for 10 to 15 minutes every day. This alone will improve your speaking faster than studying grammar. Step 3. Think in English. Stop translating in your head. Start thinking in English. Begin with simple sentences. I am drinking water. I am sitting on a chair. I am watching this video. Talk to yourself in English during the day, while walking, cooking, or resting. Gradually, your brain will switch to English mode. This is the real secret of fluency. Step 4. Vocabulary the right way. Forget long word lists. Memorizing words alone does not work. Learn words in context. Learn words inside sentences. For example, instead of happy, learn I am happy today. Instead of eat, learn I eat breakfast every morning. Repeat these sentences multiple times. Use the words in your own sentences. This method makes vocabulary permanent. 10 useful words in context are better than 100 words memorized randomly. Step 5. Grammar without stress. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. Clear communication is more important than rules. Grammar improves naturally when you listen and speak every day. Do not memorize long grammar rules. Learn grammar through examples instead of definitions. For example, I have finished my work. I have seen this movie. Repeat and use these sentences in your daily life. Your brain will learn patterns automatically. This is how native speakers learn grammar. Grammar becomes natural when it is learned in context. Focus on speaking first. Grammar comes second. Fluency matters more than perfection. Step 6. Speaking practice daily. Many learners say, "I have no one to practice with." You do not need a partner to improve. You can practice speaking alone. Describe your day in English. Talk about your plans for tomorrow. Talk about what you see around you. You can also record your voice. Listen and correct your mistakes. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Consistency is the key to fast improvement. Speaking every day builds confidence. Confidence is more important than grammar. Step 7. A simple daily routine to grow your English fast. Listen to English for 20 minutes. Shadow speaking practice for 10 minutes. Think and talk in English for 10 minutes. Practice useful sentences for 10 minutes. This routine takes only 50 minutes per day. If you follow this routine daily, your English will improve. Do this for 30 days consistently. You will see real improvement in listening and speaking. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not wait until you are perfect. Perfectionism slows down learning. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Do not stop practicing when you feel tired. Consistency matters more than motivation. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own pace. The right mindset for fast English growth. Believe that you can learn English. You are not weak. You are not slow. You just used the wrong method before. With the right system, anyone can improve. Practice every day, even if it is just a little. Small daily steps create big results. Think in English, listen in English, speak in English. This is the path to fluency. Be patient, be consistent. Your English will grow step by step. How Listen and Learn can help you. On this channel, you will find slow and clear listening exercises, shadowing scripts for speaking practice, daily routines to improve English fast, real-life sentences for vocabulary and grammar, confidence-building lessons for all levels. Everything is designed to help you grow faster. This channel is your step-by-step guide to fluency. Final motivation. One day, you will speak English confidently. One day, you will understand English without translating. That day starts today. Start listening, start speaking, start thinking in English. Even small daily practice makes a huge difference. Mistakes mean progress, not failure. You can do it. You just need the right system and consistency. Thank you for watching Listen and Learn. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to the channel. Keep listening, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next lesson. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. Your English journey starts now.